light in here or something? Do we need to get a light? It's kind of dark.
It always seems purple to me.
Yeah.
It's like with the light shining through the window. It seems purple.
Let's just see if we can hear ourselves in the mic.
I think it's...
Wait.
My microphone!
Oh, here we go. Alright, short and to the sweet. Becky, you start us off. Let's get right to it. We ain't wasting these people's time.
Right.
They're interested in 6 ways that we can...
This is our second video, take 2.
Take 2.
And we're going to cut it down in half.
That's right.
Number 1, 6 ways. Arbitrage. Go.
Okay, so 6 ways that you can invest and make money in cryptocurrency. The thought process is, over time, as I've been involved in this market and learning, I have found that I constantly want to change our direction and what we're doing, because it's like, I think there's a better way here. I think there's a different thing to do here. You know, and so we're learning all this different stuff. And so we want to give you a little bit of insight into all that stuff, but then ultimately just give you a rundown of things that you probably don't know about if you're interested in just kind of looking into cryptocurrency and getting involved. Number 1 is arbitrage. And so the idea of arbitrage is, if you were to buy gasoline in Arkansas or in Missouri for $2.40, but yet it's $3 in California, and you could somehow magically get the gasoline from Arkansas and from Missouri to California without any cost involved and sell it for a profit, that would be arbitrage. I think that's kind of the general idea. There might be some definition that makes it, you know, from a market to a market or whatever. I think that's more about what it is. But so it's basically taking, there's all these different trading platforms where you can trade your cryptocurrency and your Bitcoin for other coins. There's all these different trading, dozens of places that you can go. If you go to Coinbase.com, it shows you the current price of each coin on each exchange. Trading platform, exchange is what they call them. And you can see if there's a huge price discrepancy. So if Bitcoin is $1 on one platform, but it's trading for $10 on another, you can technically go to this one, sign up, buy or start an account in this one, buy it for $1, and then send it to that other one. Because with Bitcoin, it's as easy as just sending it to a different address, and then you can sell it on that other exchange. So go to Coinbase.com. Google it. You guys do your homework. We're just kind of giving you a quick overview of each of the different things and the ways that we have found to make money in cryptocurrency.
Number 2.
Number 2.
Mine coin.
Becky, you take this one. Quick, short, sweet.
Mining coins. You go to a website and you pay money and you mine coins. The end.
That's right. And should it be called mining?
Yes. No?
I don't think so. I think it should be called Bitcoin rewards.
Right.
Yes, it's the people that are involved in sharing their computers or renting computers or whatever to basically allow the transactions to work. So beep, 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 beep. Transaction is made. It takes computers to be able to make that transaction and send transactions.
Carried through to video number 2.
That is not funny, actually. So there you go. So mining. What's your thoughts on mining, Becky?
We do mining. Like I said in the last video that you didn't get to see, we have done mining, and I was more of a fan of it in the beginning because we put in a minimal investment and you were getting a larger return over the course of a year. But now as more people are getting into mining, the reward that is divided between them has gotten, well, I guess the reward's the same, but since there's more people, it's like it's anyway.
There's twofold. Let's talk about that just real quick. So twofold. One is there's more people. 2, the price of Bitcoin has went down.
Has tanked.
So it's like you're spreading out the reward for all the transactions. More people are helping to mine. So therefore, the 1 Bitcoin that's getting distributed for the reward for being involved is now getting distributed to more people. They call this the difficulty. And and the more people that are involved, the less reward you get. But then
Right.
whenever the price is so low, it makes it even less exciting. Yeah, so that's our situation and our thoughts on it. We don't recommend getting involved right now, but maybe if it goes back up to $20,000,
that'd be great.
That would be great. I bet you would make a lot of money.
All right, number 3, buy a trading bot.
Ooh, don't buy a trading bot. We've done this. So this has been a process. I thought to myself, digging and learning about Bitcoin and all this stuff, I got involved in trading, and trading is something that we're going to talk about. But it's like, oh, this is hard. It would be easy if there was a bot out there that did this for you. There is. The one that I have is called Profit Trailer. In talking with other people and watching other reviews, they say that it's like the best one on the market. But you have to learn how to trade first, because you have to program it to trade for you. And you have to be good at that, which I am not. So do we recommend it? If you're a professional trader and if you know how to program computers, yeah,
maybe,
probably.
Maybe.
If you're a normal human being and have a life and a job and don't have time to learn how to trade and program computers,
don't waste your money.
Maybe not. Anyway, so
number 4, trade coins.
Trade coins.
Trade coins, yes.
So you can go to an exchange and you can buy your Bitcoin on Coinbase using a credit card or using a bank, buy your coins, and then you can send them to Binance or, Bittrex or one of these trading platforms. They call them exchanges. And then you can trade your Bitcoin for other coins. So if you wanted to, you hear about some great coin out there like Ethereum or whatever, and you want to get your hands on it, most likely you have to trade Bitcoin for it, which is a process. Everything's a process, and you got to learn that. But you can be a day trader, you can be a swing trader, you can be I think there's like a dozen different types of traders and the way that they trade, and it's just very complicated. So do we recommend that?
No.
Do you recommend that?
No, I don't.
I don't know if I do either.
I recommend buying and sitting and holding.
That's right. That's going to be what we talk about next, is just buying and holding. But as far as trading, let me just say this. It's very interesting, and there is a lot of opportunity because the price of these coins is super volatile. So it goes up, and it crashes.
So if you
up,
like high stress, the unknown, high stress, the unknown, and the possibility to gain lots but probably lose lots.
Yes.
Then it's the perfect thing for you.
That's right.
Make sure you take your blood pressure medication.
Yes, yeah.
And number 5, buy into ICOs or initial coin offering.
Correct. ICOs. You've probably heard a little something, and it's like, what is that? It is the initial coin offering. So before a company launches their coin on an exchange, which is what we just talked about, being traded for other coins, they have to first, it's snowing.
Snow.
They have to first launch it and get kind of money to be able to develop the coin and develop the platform and what it's actually doing. And so they launch this ICO, and it's basically an opportunity to get on at a super cheap level. Ethereum's ICO was at 30 cents. Now it's at $850 or something like that. And so from what I've heard and the research that I've done, it's the most profitable on average way that you can get involved in cryptocurrency. They say that on average right now, most ICOs average has been 13 times the initial investment. So if you invested $1, it would be worth $13. And so, but then there's a lot of people out there trying to steal your money, so you got to be super careful. You only want to go for the big ones.
Steal my money.
Yeah, because Bitcoin's not really money.
Right.
It's pretend.
Last, number 6. Buy coins and hold them. Yay!
Talk about this. Yay! Ah, that's nice, isn't it?
So here's what you do. I like, kind of non-stress things, but it seems like any of this can be stressful because you're investing money which could quickly be gone. So it's like there's no safe way. There's just, I don't know, just doesn't seem like any. Anyway, moving on. So you buy coins and you the tricky part is finding something that is worth purchasing, you know, because they're all
banana
so
token.
they're all so
yeah.
worthless, like we
Pizza
talked about
token.
last
Ooh.
week. You need to do your research and figure out which ones will be best. But then once you get them, you purchase those, and then you just hold on to them so that you just have them. And then
Correct.
once they grow higher, you have a higher valued coin.
Correct. Like if you would have bought and hold Bitcoin whenever it first came out, how sweet would that be?
Super sweet.
Yeah. Anyway.
Be swimming in my Bitcoin like Scrooge McDuck.
Yes. So we're not financial advisors. We are not necessarily recommending any of these ideas. However, you know, if you're interested in getting involved, research. You know, you might find a different way to do it that works for you better than you might be an expert trader. Who knows?
Who knows?
Anyway, bye.